In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step of replacing the battery in your Audi Q5 key fob. All you'll need to get this done is a flathead screwdriver and a replacement battery, which is a CR2032. You'll only need one of those, and you can get them online. They're pretty cheap. If you're interested, go check out that first link down in the description, which will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these for a good price. Now, to open this thing up, we first just want to take the key fob, flip it over to the back, and look down here on the bottom. You can see in there's an opening right under the plastic. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it under that lip on the plastic, and just pry the back off. Now inside we have the battery. We need a tool to get in that opening right there to pry the battery out. This is a little bit large, so I'm just going to grab my small flathead screwdriver and pry the battery right out. All you need is something that can fit in there. Could use a paper clip, just any tool really will do. Doesn't take much pressure at all to get that battery out of there. If you don't have something that's working for you and you wanted to get this, this just comes from a set that I use. It's really good quality, but it's very cheap. That will be in the link. That will be in the description as well to get on Amazon. Once you have your battery out, you'll just take the new battery and make sure the positive side is facing up when you are ready to put it in there. You'll just simply click that down into place so that it sits flat all the way in there. And now all we need to do is put the back piece of plastic right on there. So snap that down into place. And then if you want to make sure that the light is turning on, that will show you that you are good to go and you did everything correctly. So I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.